Greetings and salutations, everybody. Today is an awesome day. We are here to finally get to ride Icebreaker for the very first time. It's gonna happen today. I'm so excited. Let's go. And right now in the pass holder lounge, they're doing a special where you get to have some tiramisu from the Seven Seas Food Festival before it happens. I'm excited because I can't wait for that. But on the side note, the pass holder lounge got a little smaller. Huh. Oh well, I'm gonna eat this and then go ride Icebreaker. So we're in line to ride Icebreaker for the very first time. Let's go. We're just a couple extra people in line, but okay.
And down onto the left harness. With nets in place, buckle the copper collar. Your lap harness must be in a properly closed position and close to your body.
So it's just like tag race.
Between the view bar and feet are under. Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. Welcome back. Please unbuckle and walk on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the handlebar.
There we go.
Take you right back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice.
Here we go. Very first ride on Icebreaker. Front row. This is gonna be awesome. Here we go. Yeah. That was amazing ride on Icebreaker. First ride, front row, so good. Let's try some other rows. There we go, back row. All right, there we go. Woo-hoo! time back here. Go! Awesome.
She wasn't even there.
No, she wasn't. It's there. Yeah, now look at that line for pictures. Getting real low. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Another successful night ride. So we get free ice, flavored ice for Icebreaker. So you get a free icy and a photo, and you get to ride the ride. What an amazing night. Let's go ride some more. Well, that's gonna do it for our awesome adventure to come ride Icebreaker. So we were here for the special pass holder preview event. Then we got a free icy, we got a free ride on Icebreaker and a free picture. So nice. And that was an awesome day. So remember, if you like what you see, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when I go on more adventures. And until then, later days.